कैसे हो सीए ज्ञानी हो। आज हम बात करेंगे सरचार्ज की। इन केस ऑफ ऑप्शनल टैक्स रिजीम, टोटल इनकम अप टू 50 लाख नील, 50 लाख टू 1 करोड़ 10%, 1 करोड़ टू 2 करोड़ 15%, 2 करोड़ टू 5 करोड़ 25%, above 5 crore is 37%. In case of default tax regime, total income up to 50 lakh nil, 50 lakh to 1 crore 10%, 1 crore to 2 crore 15%, and above 2 crore is 25%. In case of surcharge, special income are four types: long-term capital gain under section 112, long-term capital gain under section 112A, short-term capital gain under section 111A, and dividend income. In these four incomes, maximum surcharge rate is 15% of total income. Total income includes other income and special income. And in this case, other income is up to 2 crore, then 15% of tax, and other income is more than 2 crore, then 25% of tax or 37% of tax, as the case may be. ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।